Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Maxima headlight bulb. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is off and completely cool. Gather your essential tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver and your brand new replacement headlight bulbs. It's also a good practice to consult your Nissan Maxima's owner's manual for any specific instructions or recommended bulb types for your particular model. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To access the headlight bulb, first turn your steering wheel all the way to the side opposite the bulb you are replacing. This provides crucial space. Next, you will need to partially remove the wheel well liner. Use a Phillips head or flathead screwdriver to detach a few screws or clips securing the liner. Gently pull back the liner to reveal the rear of the headlight assembly, giving you clear access to the bulb housing. Now, disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb by pressing its release tab and pulling it straight off. Then, twist the dust cap 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove it, exposing the bulb. Carefully unclip the retaining spring or twist the old bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it. Gently pull out the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Align its tabs and secure it with the retaining clip or by twisting it clockwise. With the new bulb in place, reattach the dust cap by twisting it clockwise until it is snugly fitted. Next, reconnect the electrical connector to the bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place for a secure connection. Carefully push the wheel well liner back into position and secure it using the screws or clips you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is functioning correctly, providing clear illumination for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.